Window treatment dealers in North Jersey may not want homeowners to know these 6 shocking secrets. Are flimsy blinds and outdated styles ruining your home? Many homeowners feel frustrated when their window treatments fall short, leading to a less than ideal living environment. Secret number 1, not all materials are created equal. The first thing that window treatment dealers hope homeowners overlook is the quality of materials. Cheap, thin blinds can bend easily if looked at the wrong way, while premium options offer durability and style. Homeowners often find themselves stuck with products that don't last, leading to additional costs down the line. Made in the Shade partners with top brands, ensuring high-quality products backed by generous warranties. This means homeowners can enjoy peace of mind knowing their investment is protected and that they are getting the best materials available. Secret number 2, the close enough measurement myth can lead to awkward gaps and light leaks. Many dealers will tell customers that approximate measurements are sufficient, but this couldn't be further from the truth. When window treatments are not measured precisely, it can result in unsightly gaps that let in light and compromise privacy. Made in the Shade provides meticulous measurements and 3D visualization during free consultations for a perfect fit every time. This attention to detail ensures that homeowners receive window treatments that not only look great but also function as intended. Secret number 3, hidden costs can turn a bargain into a headache. Many companies lure customers in with low initial prices, but then hit them with hidden fees, installation charges, or overpriced upgrades. Homeowners may think they are getting a great deal, only to be surprised by the final bill. This creates confusion and frustration about where to find real value. Made in the Shade offers competitive pricing and transparency, ensuring no surprises. Their free in-home consultations mean that homeowners can understand exactly what they are getting without any obligation. Secret number 4, smart window treatments may not be as smart as they seem. Many products on the market claim to be smart, but they often require complicated third-party systems or lack the integration homeowners desire. Other dealers may not disclose these limitations until it's too late. Made in the Shade offers seamless motorized solutions compatible with major smart home devices, allowing homeowners to automate and personalize settings through mobile apps or voice commands. This enhances convenience and energy efficiency, making it easier than ever to control light and privacy in the home. Secret number 5, who installs your treatments matters. Many companies use cheap, unvetted subcontractors who may not have the necessary skills or insurance. This can lead to poor installation, damage to the property, or even safety issues. Homeowners should be aware of who is coming into their homes to install window treatments. Made in the Shade employs trained professionals who guarantee quality installations and offer a worry-free warranty. This commitment to quality ensures that homeowners receive personalized service and support, building trust and accountability throughout the process. Secret number 6, outdated styles can make homes look dated. Window treatments can make or break the overall aesthetic of a room. Many dealers push styles that are long past their prime, such as heavy drapes, bulky valances, and outdated balloon shades. These styles can make a home feel stuck in the past. Made in the Shade provides a variety of modern fabrics, colors, and styles, ensuring homes look sophisticated and current. They help homeowners find solutions that enhance their home's aesthetic appeal while providing functionality without compromising style. Bonus secret number 7, the warranty trap. Are you really covered? And for our bonus secret, this one's a big one that most dealers hope you never even think to ask about. Do you know what happens if your expensive custom window treatments have an issue after installation? Many companies will tell you that after they leave, any problem is on you, or it's a manufacturer defect they have no control over. Or even worse, they'll charge you for labor to come back and fix something that should have been done right the first time. However, with Made in the Shade North Jersey, we offer something truly unique for your peace of mind. All of our premium products come with generous manufacturer warranties, with most carrying a limited lifetime warranty. And on top of that, we stand by our work with a 1-year warranty on the labor if your window treatments need service after installation. This means you're covered not just for the product itself, but for our professional installation as well. That's our commitment to quality and your worry-free experience, addressing your concerns about durability and longevity. So, if homeowners want to avoid these common pitfalls and ensure their window treatments are designed and installed flawlessly, it's essential to educate themselves about what they are buying. Knowledge is power, and understanding these secrets can lead to better decisions and a more satisfying home environment. Alternatively, homeowners can make it easy on themselves by scheduling a free, no-obligation in-home consultation with Made in the Shade North Jersey today. This service brings the showroom directly to the homeowner's location, offering expert design guidance and personalized solutions that transform spaces from ordinary to extraordinary. Homeowners can call or text 973-833-1612 to get started, or visit mitsnorthjersey.com for more information. With the right knowledge and support, achieving the perfect window treatments is not just a dream, but a reality. Don't settle for less when it comes to enhancing the beauty and functionality of your home. Take the first step today. And as always, design fearlessly.